Hey art friends, and welcome back to the Mandakyns Channel. Today we'll be learning how to make a brick DIY gel press texture plate. And so to begin, I'm going to use gaffer tape. You can also use duct tape to create a handle on the back side. Then using styrofoam cups, I am cutting off the bottom of the cup and the lip of the cup using the razor knife. And then I am using a heat gun to help me lay it flat, and a metal ruler to cut out the bits of brick so that they are all a similar size. And I am cutting them at a 1/2 inch by 1 inch. So each one of my bricks will be approximately that size. I'm not too concerned about small imperfections, and I will create a good number of these, and I have sped it up for your convenience. I won't make you watch all of the cutting, but then I begin adhering them to the piece of cardboard using Eileen's tacky glue. And you want to stagger them, leaving some amount of space. Try to be consistent. If you're really have to be particular, I guess you could use popsicle sticks if you wanted your bricks to be perfectly spaced. However, I'm not being that particular about it. I am just placing down bricks and trying to give an industrial look to this wall that I'm creating on my cardboard. And I am using this technique, placing a brick at the juncture where two bricks meet, and placing it so that it overlaps, using this to create additional areas of interest on the piece of cardboard. And I will continue to do this until I am happy and satisfied with the way that the bricks are laid out on the cardboard, and I can use this to apply to my gel plate, and it will pick up some of the pigments, the acrylic paints that are on the gel press, and it will leave a really nice texture effect. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I look forward to seeing you on our future videos. Happy arting!